Meow?
Oh, you poor things. This is it! Our new project. Almost there. One more big push. Perfect. Oh, you little rascal. All right, everyone. The new facilities are ready. I think they're gonna love it here. It's perfect. We truly appreciate your help in establishing this stray cat shelter. Thanks to you, these stray cats now have a home. We truly appreciate your help in establishing this stray cat shelter, and thanks to you, these stray cats now have a home.
It's 39 degrees Celsius, which indicates a slight fever. Administer 1 milliliter of antifebrile medicine. Give a nutrient injection.
Oh no, an abandoned litter? Where exactly? I'm on my way. Welcome home, little ones. You're safe now. The kitten is quite ill, but we've started medication.
We'll need to keep him here for observation, but the prognosis is good. Can go home now. Almost home, little ones.
They're so cozy. Cat home sounds good, but it feels so hard. I have no clue at all.
Let's go back and make a plan first, then come to our place tomorrow and we can discuss the plan in detail.
A charity performance for fundraising sounds promising.
We could also do waste item donations and handmade craft bazaars.
I'll go to find the idle warehouse, abandoned garage, roof terrace.
I'll go to find the community small room. We're gathering friends to put on a charity performance for fundraising. This could be perfect if we can transform it. Almost done, little buddy. You're growing so fast.
This is our dream, and we're making it happen.
Indeed, together.
If we open it up here, we capture the skyline perfectly. It's gonna be beautiful.
This design for the cat tree is brilliant.
Right? It even has a little lookout tower.
And the sunbeam sensor will be perfect for naps.
And now, for our final act, we have the incredible Mr. Wiggles! This revised layout gives us so much more space for the outdoor run.
It's even better than we imagined. A can go home now.
Cat home sounds good, but it feels so hard. I have no clue at all.
Let's go back and make a plan first. Then come to our place tomorrow and we can discuss the plan in detail. If we look at this bar chart, we can see the projection for the next quarter.
That makes sense. We should prioritize the blue category.
A charity performance for fundraising.
And waste item donations and handmade craft bazaars. I'll go to find the idle warehouse, abandoned garage, roof terrace. I'll go to find a community small room.
friends to put on a charity performance for fundraising. Who wants to help build the biggest cat castle ever? I do! Count me in! I am so proud of us! We finally did it!
You go ahead and prepare for the charity sale first.
Meow. Meow. Woof. Mom, did you find the venue today?
Not yet. Let's keep up the good work and keep looking tomorrow.
Charity performance for funding. Build a castle for stray cats and give them a place to call home.
This is quite a project, isn't it?
Meow.
It's a lot, but we can do this.
eco-friendly paint. This charity performance is held to funds for building a stray cat shelter. Now, the show officially begins. You go ahead and prepare for the charity sale first.